Hello friends, my name is Sarmad, and in this video I'm going to share 5 simple steps that can help you to make your online website and earn some cash online. So the site we are going to make is a very SEO friendly, so I'm sharing all the hidden tips and guides. So watch this video completely and it will help you rank your blog on a high rank. So the step number 1 is buying a domain name. So how you can buy a domain name? There are several websites which help you to buy a domain name in very responsible price. So I'm sharing all these websites and help you to how you can buy a domain name.
So we are going to buy a domain name here. So simply go to domains from here, and here you will find a domain name. So write your domain name. So I'm writing my own name as an example, and from here I am going to select .net.org as well, because I need my domain in these extension too. And here are the rate list of the domains that are available on this website. So you can see these rates and simply press on search domain name and wait until it's find that either the domain name is available or not. If it is available, then it will enlist it here. So .com domain is unavailable because I have already used this domain name, but .net and .org are available, so I can simply select from here. You can also select the year, that for how many years you want to buy this domain, and simply go from here and it will show a checkout page, and using your credit card you can simply buy a domain name. If you go to the Gardezi website, you can simply use the same function here by simply typing out your address here and search for a domain name, and it will show you what domains are available. So here is a list of domains. So you can find these domains in very responsible price for 1 year, and on the next year you have to pay the actual price. That would be 9,874 would be on second year. So the first year would be 616 rupees. So there is a major change in Gardezi. But if you buy the domain from this website, you will actually see the actual price, and on the next year you have to pay the same price.
So the second step is buying a hosting. After buying a domain name, it's important to host your website on some hosting platforms. So there are several websites which also give you a hosting in a regular price, but the hosting packages are a bit higher, but you have to buy a very responsible, fast and updated hosting that can help your website to rank fast, because hosting is the most important thing. So if you have unlimited space, you can also upload unlimited stuff on your hosting and do as many as functions you want to do on your hosting. How you can buy a hosting? Let's simplify the first step.
So I'm going to buy a hosting from Gardezi. So here are the rates of different hostings, which you can see the storage, the bandwidth, the business emails, free domains and other stuff. So it will cost you $439 a month, and it is 100 GB of space. It supports only one website. The bandwidth is the unlimited users on your site, so it is unlimited. And if you check this hosting plan, it is only a few rupees expensive, but it is unlimited websites, unlimited storage and subdomains as well. So this is the amazing value pack here. So if you are interested in these packages, you can buy it. Either you can check our Bluehost as well. So we are going to check the Blue hosting packages, that what type of hosting they are providing. So here's the Bluehost, and you can include a free SSL on this as well. One click install, and it will cost you $2.95 per month. So this is also a very valuable hosting price package. So you can also check this. You can also visit the link in the video description and apply my coupon code and get a discount.
So the third step of blogging is making your blog a very impressive way. So how you can make a blog in a very impressive way by using a CMS, that is WordPress. So the WordPress has a lot of themes, so we are going to use a theme from several websites. So let's see that how you can install a theme and how you can make it more impressive.
When you buy the hosting, you will see a cPanel login. So the cPanel login would be like this. So here is the cPanel login, and you will find several options on the right bar, that is your space, usage and some other stuff. So we are scrolling down to the bottom of the page and you will see the WordPress. So we are going to install a WordPress on our new domain. So I'm going to select the WordPress and I'm going to press on install now button. So here is the install now button, and we need to select that either our site would be on HTTPS or without it, or it contains www or not. So you can select these information, select your domain in which you want to install the WordPress. So how many domains are hosted on your hosting will all be displayed here. So we are selecting this one as an example, and you're going to name your blog and this stuff, your email address, your password, your languages, which plugins you need, and press on install button. After installing the plugin, you will need to write the whole address of your website and then type wp-admin. So basically this is the login URL of WordPress website, so you will be redirected to this page. So if you are going to make your blog more impressive, so how you can do it, simply go to the appearance and go to the themes. So here you will see a list of several themes which you can use on your website. So we are going to select a new theme from add new function here, and you will see a lot of free themes, so you can choose any of the theme which you like the most.
So the fourth step is using a plugin. So which plugins are most important for the SEO? So the SEO plugins that I'm going to share is used SEO plugin. So how you can install a used SEO and make it SEO friendly? So let's see that how.
For the SEO of the WordPress blog, we are going to use the used SEO meta tag plugins. So SEO plugin, used plugin is basically a most useful plugin in a field of SEO here. So we are going to use the used SEO plugin in our site, and I'm going to the features option from here, and you need to turn on all the features of used SEO plugin. So for that you need to simply turn them on and select on save changes button, and right after that go to the search appearance option, and in the search appearance option you can use a separator, that what kind of separator you want to use. So I'm using this separator, but most common separators are this one and this one. So these two are the most commonly used separators, so I'm going to use this one. Your name, your full name. If you are users and you have your own name ID, you can select this one. So if you have some kind of business, you can select this option from here. Now the second option is content type. So what type of content you're using in your website, so you can select this, that in your articles will date will show on the new installation. The option is on hide, so you can click on show and you can show the date of every article in a search bar. So these are the some basic options of used SEO. Now switch to the post and select a new post option from here, and now we will see that how you can use a used as a SEO plugin in here. So when you are on a new article, and you will see several options here, you can see the used SEO premium option here. So I'm using a premium one. You can also use a free version of used SEO. So we are simply going to press here and adding some title. So this is my first article on SEO. So I'm using this as a title, and I would like to enter some information here. So I've written some taglines here, and I'm going here on a used SEO. So you can see that the readability option is on a smiley face, so it's mean that the article written on this field is okay without any mistake. So I'm going to edit snippet, and I'm going to see that how it will look on Google. So it will show like this one. Here's the date, and here is the meta description. So meta description is a most important feature here. So this article so I'm using information here, and you can see that it is on a green light, so it's mean that it's okay. So always remember that always write your description and title in a green light. So my title is on a green light, so I'm going to write how to do SEO of WordPress website in easy ways in Pakistan. So I'm going to write this as a title, and it shows me in a green light. So I'm going to select a slug as well if it is empty until you write all the stuff here. So WordPress SEO guide 2018. So I'm using this as a slug here, so I'm going to enter it. So you can see that all the features here is on a green light, all the features, and one problem is showing that 0% sentence content transition words or phrase which is less than the recommended maximum of 30%. So this is saying that your length of the article is too short. Try to increase the article length, so you can write as long as you can, but the minimum amount of the article should be 400 words. So by doing all this, you can simply publish your article by selecting a specific category, your specific tag, by adding feature image, excerpt if you want to place a comments or not, or page attribute if you have specific template for a specific page. You can just select it from here. After selecting all this information, the used SEO will also help you to interlink some of the similar articles to this article. For example, it is showing me that how to add why my YouTube AdSense payment is still 0. So I'm gonna copy this from here, and I'm gonna select it as to my channel name to subscribe, and I'm gonna paste it here. So I'm going to paste it, and so it is making this as a link. So if someone want to visit that channel name, do subscribe, it will click on this, and he will be redirected to this page with the used is interlinking me. And you can see that it is showing a tick here, so it's mean that the article is linked on this paragraph. So that's why the used is also helpful for making backlinks and interlinks on your article.
The fifth step I'm going to share is using an affiliate system. So after using all these 4 steps very impressively, the last step is using an affiliate marketing. So if you are making a blog and you have spent on your blog, so it's important to reimburse all of them by using affiliate, by earning online, by using AdSense account, by using some referral links. So let's see that which are the main programs we are going to use here on our website and make it like to earn some money online on a monthly basis. So at starting there would be not enough money, but gradually if you share it with your friends on a social media, you will get relative audience, and if you get the audience, there will be a more chances to earn some money online using your new blog. Hope so you will like all these guides. If so, like this video and share it with your friends, and do subscribe to my channel, and you will get all the how to tech videos related to blogging in my channel. So do subscribe. Thank you.